and welcome to our twin room. Again, light and bright. Forgot to say earlier, all the mattresses are memory foam, so they're really good for people who want to avoid electromagnetic stress, as well as being really, really comfy. And we've got more books in French and English for our guests. And there's a bookcase down here. And out the window, more sylvan views. Not sure if you can see the woodshed from here. Anyhow, you're totally surrounded by nature and very safe and snug and cocooned in this nest. Enjoy your stay. Mwah. Bye.